Greetings, time travelers and history enthusiasts. Welcome back to Footsteps Through Time, where we dive deep into the intriguing tales of the past. Today, we're venturing into the shadowy underbelly of Chicago's history with a gripping tour that uncovers the hidden world of crime, mobsters, and unforgettable stories. Join us on this thrilling ride through Chicago's criminal past. Our adventure kicks off as we board a luxury air-conditioned coach, your time machine to the Windy City's notorious history. Buckle up as we explore the Gold Coast, Lincoln Park, Old Town, the Loop, and the Magnificent Mile. Listen closely as our expert guide narrates chilling stories of Al Capone, John Dillinger, and other infamous mobsters. As we navigate through Chicago's neighborhoods, you'll witness the sights of history's most notorious crime scenes, from the St. Valentine's Day Massacre to the eerie Biograph Theater. Get ready to immerse yourself in history. We'll step off the coach to explore some places on foot, following the footsteps of gangsters like John Dillinger and Himmy Weiss. Capture the essence of the past as we roam the very streets they walked. Discover hidden gems like Caray's Italian Steakhouse, housing Mitty's Vault, and historic bootlegging tunnels pass by the iconic Holy Name Cathedral, witness the site of the St. Valentine's Day Massacre, and glimpse the renowned Jewelers Building. As the tour winds down, we return to our starting point, leaving behind a trail of stories and intrigue. This is an adventure that reveals Chicago's underworld and paints a vivid picture of its darker history. Fellow adventurers, if you're fascinated by true crime, mobsters, and the tales that shaped Chicago, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Join us on Footsteps Through Time for more immersive historical explorations. Until then, keep seeking knowledge, keep exploring the past, and keep making history come alive. See you in the next episode.